Hey, P Street Garage. What I want to do today is a little bit of work on this Mustang. Again, this is the 2012 Mustang. And what I want to do today is I want to address this back bumper. It's become very dull and gray. And this is a common problem with cars like these, or any modern car really. And last summer I did a video on this, and I was using this product here. It was the Turtle Wax brand trim restorer, and it does work quite well, and I had made a video of this. Only problem is that it's a temporary solution. It does make your trim sparkle, but it is only temporary. So I'm going to try something today. I'm going to try this Duplicolor trim and bumper paint. I have used this before. It works fairly well. So I'm going to attempt to paint this back bumper today and see how she looks. So first, let's get this all cleaned up. Let's get this back area cleaned up. We'll take off that license plate. We'll tape the area, and then we'll try to spray this on, hoping for some improvement. Okay, well that's as clean as I'm going to make it. I just have the back area clean here. I did not clean the whole car. Let's start taping. Okay, well here we got everything taped off. Got the mufflers blanked off with rags and tape, and we should be good to go. I've been shaking this for about 4 or 5 minutes. I'm going to shake it again a little bit more just to be sure, and I'm going to start applying. And unfortunately, this is very, very low. I'm probably going to lay down I'll have to lay down at least to get the bottom of it. But maybe I'll do a few swipes and try to film the process there. All going to be one-handed, but that's kind of how I roll. So, okay, here we go. Okay, let's give this a try. Said I have done this before, but it's been quite a long time. I'm gonna go light coats. Yeah, it's definitely blacker. I got my garage door open, which is a good thing because this is relatively strong. Yeah, looks good for a first pass. Okay. I just stopped long enough to take a picture of the trying to get the sort of the before and after, but I better move on here because I don't want to create any lines or anything there. Does go on fairly good. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down here because I got to get around this corner. I don't want to make any blotchiness. I'll check in again in a bit. Okay, well here we go. And this is just a couple of light coats. This looks good. It looks really good. I'm gonna let it set up a little bit. As in, it's just hard for me, but I'm actually gonna walk away. And I'm going to come back in about 15-20 minutes and See if if anything, maybe some of the stuff will penetrate a little bit. Maybe it'll cure a little spotchy. I'm not sure. It looks very good right now, but it's probably still wet. So walking away, and I'll be back. Maybe I'll wait a little longer, maybe half an hour, and I'll come back and do another one. Okay. Okay, well, it's been about 20 minutes, and I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the stuff is starting to dry a little bit. It's starting to get a little bit less shiny, and it is a little bit uneven. Now, I was thinking maybe I could do those side plastic pieces down there, but they're quite a bit shiny anyway compared to what this bumper was. So I'm not going to skimp. I'm going to wait another 5-10 minutes, and I've got probably just under half a can left. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to give this another application, and then I'll let it cure up again. Then I'll remove the tape, and then I will take a look, and hopefully it's going to make this car look a lot better. Okay, I just finished my final application. This looks very nice, very even. Let's get this stripped down, and we'll put the car back outside, and we'll take a look at the final product. Okay. Not bad at all, not bad at all. All right, let's finish this up. Roll this outside. Okay, well, here's the car pushed outside. That back plastic bumper is absolutely fantastic. Fantastic. Very happy. Now, let's just see how durable this is going to be. Okay, thanks for watching.